Yo, what's up guys? My name is Colton Kalugo. This is my new 2014 Ford Focus ST that I got a couple weeks ago, and ever since I've been younger, I've been wondering, how do I get that flutter sound in my car? That turbo flutter. By the way, if you guys want some stickers, DM me on Instagram. Here's my Instagram right here. Anyway, throughout the years of me being a car enthusiast, I've always wondered, how do I get that turbo flutter sound? Now, most of you guys who've watched videos, you guys probably know that to do that, you have to take off your bypass valve or blow off valve, which is super bad for your turbo in the long term. So, today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get that flutter sound on your Ford Focus ST. Alright, so right up here, I have a Mishimoto performance intake. And that is pretty much all you need. If you already have an intake, there is a large chance your car is already doing it. I actually took the top off of the box here so you can hear it way better. I'm going to show you guys a video here in a second of it fluttering. Just a quick tip for you guys, rev it up to around 2500 RPM and you'll get the perfect flutter. Here's a video for you guys, and yeah, enjoy. Alright, so that is it. That's the video. That is all you have to do. I didn't take off my bypass valve. I didn't put on a blow off valve. I didn't do anything other than put an intake on my car. And as you can see, it flutters like crazy. If you guys are looking for an intake for your car, I would definitely go with Mishimoto. It sounds awesome, it feels awesome, and yeah, so there's just a quick little video for you guys if you guys were wondering how to get that flutter. Instead of ruining your turbo, just get a Mishimoto intake, or most intakes do it on an ST, so any intake will work, but I do recommend the Mishimoto intake if you want a guaranteed flutter. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Give this video a like. Don't take off your blow-off valve or bypass valve because it's super bad for your car in the long term. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed one more time, and I will see you guys next time.